What's up, guys? Another day, new construction cleanup. Got a nice house here in Maypearl, Texas. So we're doing kind of the same old thing. Full house wash, rinsing the windows, concrete sidewalks, back patio, garage, kind of typical thing that we always do that y'all have seen on the channel before. So nothing too crazy on this video, but wanted to kind of show y'all just another example of what we're doing. So I know some of you guys have said that you liked looking in the houses, so I had to open this one up to come in the garage. So I'll show you real quick. This place is beautiful. So nice living room, kitchen. Those windows are sick, dude. Like this shot right here, I know that there's a house out there that you're looking at, but man, just imagine that view right there with mountains. It's pretty. So Ben's out here in the back, starting out. He's starting with the house, and then he's gonna wash the patio, and he'll work his way around and get the whole house washed, rinsed down. All the stone and brick, we'll get that with some high pressure, and then we'll start on this garage floor, surface clean it with hot water, and then we'll do the driveway and we'll get out of here. So if you're new here, we do a ton of new construction cleaning. Most of the time we don't use chemicals. It's just hot water typically, unless we have, you know, like we don't really have like a lot of red clay around us, but we do get like the topsoil, kind of like more brown dirt, I guess, like this stuff over here, like all of that stuff will stain the bricks and the stone and stuff, but it's super easy to get off. Hot water usually takes it right off. We don't have to deal with like doing a bunch of red clay removal and stuff like that. And this company is actually really good about keeping all their stuff really clean. So these are pretty simple for us to do. Everybody's already done in here. I mean, they have like a couple guys that need to come back and do like trim work on the inside, but for the most part, everybody's already finished here. So makes it really easy on us for cleaning. We just kind of come in and clean up after everybody and clean up their mess. But they're really good. All the contractors that they use are really good about cleaning up after themselves, most of them. So we get a little stuff like this, some of the drywall mud, and a couple paint drops, but nothing like real crazy that's like difficult to get out. So hot water usually does it for us on these. It's brand new, so we don't need SH. There's no algae growth on these. And this is a brand new neighborhood. So a couple houses over here, we've washed maybe 2 houses over here, but this is the only one on this street. And then there's another street that goes back over here, down over here, hopefully you can see, and eventually there will be tons of houses out here. So pretty cool to see the companies I work with, you know, going to new neighborhoods, brand new neighborhoods, because that means more work for us throughout this year, next year. The company that gives us most of these typically does between, when we first started with them, they said be prepared for like 150 to 200 houses a year, and now they're saying maybe more. So 150 to 200 houses a year. If you could lock down a contract like that, it's really good money, guys. Even if you're not doing, you know, $1,000 each house, if you get in with them and you do good work and give them a price that's fair. You know, we base everything off square footage, so most of their stuff's the same. If it's dirtier or if the driveway's bigger, they do custom homes too. So sometimes some of that stuff will be a little bit bigger. Then they don't have a problem with me upping the price on some of that stuff. So a really good contact and contract for me to be in. Awesome guys to work with. So yeah, like I've told you in the past, new construction, guys, is like, there's such good money in it. and there's so much of it that and you get in with the company that's doing all the building. You don't have to, spend money on ads, going to different neighborhoods, going door to door, going and measuring these places out, and then talking to every individual customer. You're dealing with 1, 2, 5, maybe 5 companies that you're doing new construction for, and they're just sending you property after property, and you're already in for direct deposit into your account. So like this company, every week, every Friday, we get paid for whatever we do that week. They send us a check, or not a check, but they send us a direct deposit to my account. And super simple, man. So it's just like going to work and getting a check at the end of the week. You get it, and you don't have to worry like, man, when's so-and-so going to pay me? When's so-and-so going to pay me? There's 5 houses that I'm waiting on payment because they don't have checkbooks, and they're waiting on whatever it is. You know how that goes. So new construction is just super nice. Of course we do all of it, right? We do house washing with regular customers. We do commercial properties with regular customers, different customers. So I still deal with some of that stuff quite a bit, actually. But the new construction stuff has been keeping us really, really busy. And if you're not doing new construction, I would definitely recommend it. I know in our area, it's going to be different probably than where you're at, because you have maybe a bunch of red clay. Maybe the builders don't care as much, so they're not as nice, and everything's a little bit more messy, so maybe your prices will be different than ours. But this is like super simple stuff for us. We'll be out of here in probably an hour, maybe an hour and a half. So yeah, it's just, and I say hour and a half because we could knock this place out in 45 minutes probably, but it's a brand new home. We are making sure that like everything is perfect, right? We're making sure that all these gaps, or all the edges, all the corners, everything's touched, because we want to keep doing work for these guys, and we want the customers that are buying these homes to walk up and be like, man, this place is like perfect. So we spend a little bit more time, and we take our time on these. If you were working for a company that really didn't care, like I don't know, a huge company that maybe does like 40,000 homes a year, something crazy like that. I don't even know if that exists, but they might not care if you just came in, did a quick little rinse, and you're out of there, right? But the people that we like to work for are people that take pride in their work just like we do. So that requires us to take a little bit more time on doing the work. So yeah, I'm not gonna probably show y'all too much of the actual washing today, because y'all have seen that time and time again. Ben's over here doing the front patio, getting all that dirt off. I'm just recording. But so he's over here, got all this knocked out. You can see all the dirt coming down, all the dirt on these windowsills. It's fairly simple, guys. So we're gonna get everything. Golly, I got a hair somewhere in my mouth. But yeah, fairly simple, but we do take our time, and we do make sure that it's like 100% everything touched. So I think that's why we've been growing so much in the new construction side of business, because builders talk to other builders, and it seems like builders really like the work that we do for new construction. So it's been good for us. We're growing quite a bit on new construction. And like I said, we're now that it's like springtime, the sun's out, we're starting to get a ton of homes, regular homes, where we're going to be doing, soft washing, stuff like that. We do that every year, but the past couple months have been a ton of new construction. So I've had to bring y'all along with most of that. But as springtime ramps up, and as homeowners start, walking outside and seeing that their stuff is messy, right now we're getting a ton of calls for Easter, right? A lot of moms that are having Easter, or I guess not just moms, it's women in general, but a lot of women want to have Easter at their houses, and the whole family's going to be over. So we've been getting a ton of calls and a ton of messages over our CRM and on our website for hey, we want to get our house clean before Easter. Hey, we want our windows clean before Easter. So yeah, we're doing a ton of those. We got a next week is going to be insane. So I'm going to try to bring you guys along with all those as well. But understand that we are so busy right now that it's hard for me to sometimes pull out the camera and record like a lot of the details. So like I said in the previous video, if there's something specific that you guys want to see, let me know and I'll focus on that. And it's easier for me to make these kind of like one take, 10-minute, 15-minute videos than go through like a whole week and put all that footage together, because dude, it's a lot of work. And yeah, so anyways, let me know what you guys think, what you want to see. It's just a quick little video of what we're doing today and a little bit of knowledge that hopefully you guys took away with some good advice. So got the house done. Concrete is almost done. Just have to touch up some stuff. Got to blow some of this off the front sidewalk. But man, look how bright white that is. Looks great. We're Ben's brushing these garage doors because we didn't like the way that they turned out after we rinsed them. So give them a little extra love. And we'll finish the driveway and we'll be out of here. Alright guys, all wrapped up, finished product. It's pretty dang good, so we're out of here for the day, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Drop a comment what you want to see next. Peace.